Question 3. Andrea is choosing a new pair of shoes. The shoes come in sizes 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5 and 7. They also come in 5 different colours and 3 different styles. How many different choices of shoes are possible? So again, when we hear the phrase how many, we want to think multiply. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sizes of shoes. And we're going to multiply that by the number of different colours, and there are 5 different colours. And we're going to multiply that by the number of styles. There are 3 different styles. And 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 gives us 75 different choices of shoes. Question 4. In a restaurant, there are 4 choices for the starter, 6 choices for the main course, and 5 choices for dessert. How many possible 3-course meals are there? So again, when we hear the phrase how many, we want to think multiply. So we're going to multiply 4 choices of starter by 6 choices of main by 5 choices for dessert. So 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5. And 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 gives us 120 possible 3-course meals.